अमरीकी नायब सदर जेडी वैंस ने ईरान के इनकार के बावजूद वाशिंगटन और तेहरान के दरमियान तकनीकी सतह के मुज़ाकरात जारी होने का दावा किया है। उन्होंने कहा कि ईरान के सरकारी बयानात उन्हें दिलचस्प भी लगते हैं और मायूस कुन भी, क्योंकि ईरानी हुक्काम एक तरफ अमन मुज़ाकरात की तरदीद करते हैं जबकि दूसरी तरफ तकनीकी बातचीत का एतराफ़ भी करते हैं। जेडी वैंस ने बावर कराया है कि ईरान से मुआहदों की पासदारी चाहते हैं।
What the president has said is, let's let this play out. There are a few things that we want. We want durable commitments that are verifiable and backed up by inspections that Iran will denuclearize their entire country. How we get there. Number two, we want to see what kind of an arrangement actually exists in the Middle East between not just Iran and the United States, but the GCC, Israel, Lebanon. We're going to play that situation out. And then on the Strait of Hormuz, I mean, I think you actually said it well, which is that the strait is open in the sense that to oil traffic, we're seeing more oil come out of the Strait of Hormuz, and some days actually more oil coming out of the strait than came out before the war even started. So there's this element of the where the world oil economy is kind of getting back into gear. That's going to take a little bit of time, but you've already seen the prices come way down.